Hello all, welcome back to CAD Technologies. Today in this video we'll be seeing how to make this component as you can see on the screen. There's a 2D drawing with two views, understanding this is your front view, this is your left view. The section is cut exactly at this location and the model is shown here with the internal features. Now, to make this module, we are going to use part modeling as the module. So again, we can enter into your start, mechanical design and your part design. Under your part design, first we'll try to make this shape and then add these extra addition of material on the top and then remove the internal cuts. Now, to do so, first we'll be following a feature based approach. To do so, first let's try to use a shaft command because the whole body is controlled by its diameters. So I'm trying to use the shaft command to do so with respect to the axis at this location. Let me take the sketch and then start giving its dimensions. Now, once I exit, it creates the cylindrical body, which is the outer body. Now we are supposed to cut these internal shape as well, which is a 48 dia. So to remove material, we'll be using a simple groove command. So let me try to use that and follow the same process whichever we have done just now. We require the edges of the cylinder, so I'm trying to project the edges of the cylinder as well. Now, understanding the cut, I need this portion to be removed, so I'm making that portion which has a diameter of 48 as shown in the drawing. Removes the material. Now, the cut whatever you're trying to see is up to this center, that is the end of this circle. So to do so, first I'd like to take the references before proceeding because I don't know the depth of the cut, whatever cut is provided here to make this shape. I don't know where the depth of the cut is. So to use that as a reference, I'll be taking my sketches for this with respect to 30 and 56. So I can use this as the reference for the further modeling. Now I can start using my center lines or infinite lines, whichever we are flexible with. Let's start giving the dimensions and then creating the references. The dimension from here to here is actually 56. Same way the dimension from here to here is actually 30. The cut whatever you're trying to see is to the end, as you can see is to the end. So I would require a point here. So I'm trying to paste the point here as well as one point exactly located at the center. I'd like to place one point located at the center as well as till where the end is there. Now there's a dimension for this which is given as 20. Let's try to take that as well. Now I have these 2 points. To make the shape, whatever slot cut I am supposed to make is till this plane, this point. So I'll try to take a plane at that location, parallel by making it parallel, and then start making my sketches to remove the shape. Again, I'll be using the right view to make the cut. I'll require this as a reference. Let me just start making the line as well as make the cut. This is 28. This is the depth, as in this depth. I'll take a center circle and then try to make the shape as well. And say exit. This has to be cut till this plane. So I'll just say up to plane and select this plane. On this, we are supposed to make this shape. The shape you can see. So I'll try to use the front view to do so. I'd use equal addition of material, of course. And this end as well. Now, and these two as well. Let me use these two as the references as well. take the circle and the line. Let's take a line from here and do the same thing onto the other side as well. Take this line till here and then maintain tangency. Let me delete the unnecessary parts, yes, and this one as well. Now let me try to close the sketch. This need not be a reference, this can be a normal one as well. Now I want to add material to this, so I'll exit, add it equally up to 28 as you can see. Let me try to do mirror event and give 14, so it adds up to 28 as you can see on the screen. Now continuing, there is a slot cut as you can see over here. So I'd like to make that by using the simple pocket command onto this face. I can take the right view because I require the right view and project whatever edges are necessary for my reference purposes, and then start making my profile, which is this. So we know that it maintains symmetry on either sides and the distance is 8. Now let me see that the length from the center till the edge is actually 40. So I'd like to give that distance as well. Now exit. It tries to cut the material. So here we have to cut it through. So I'll just try to give up to next so it cuts through the body and then it looks like this. When I take the isometric view, it looks like this. Now there is an internal cut as you can see. Let's try to make that using our groove command. Considering this as the center, we already have a previous axis, so we'll be using the previous axis and then the edges required. Now let's try to make the shape. Now the shape actually goes this way and then this way and then they come in line till the end. So I'll just try to coincide the end because I'm mistaking that reference. I'll try to coincide this onto this body. Now, we know that this distance is 16 as again mentioned in the drawing, and this distance is 16 as well. Next, give diameters. This is supposed to be 32 and the internal one is actually supposed to be 18. Now let us close the profile and finish with the groove cut. This is my groove cut. Okay. Continuing after the groove cut, we have small addition of material over here which is given as 4 TYP. So let's try to add that by using your pad and then take the, any of our references as the matter. We can use this as well. Now let's try to make a circle and then add the material. It has to maintain concentricity. It has auto taken that for me. So once I exit, it adds up to 4 mm, which we have already given. Now you can mirror this onto the opposite side using your mirror feature. You can see that this addition of material is done on both the sides as per the drawing. Now there is a small hole given which is of 2 into 10 dia. So let's try to take that on the circle which is exactly at the center, which is 10 dia. Let us try to maintain concentricity and constrain the sketch. Exit. It has to cut up to the next, so it is cutting up to the next. We can mirror the other hole onto the other side. If you want to check the section view, you can check the section view as well. As you can see, the whole final isometric model actually looks like this. If you want to learn more about part modeling, shortcuts and furthermore about feature based modeling, please feel free to contact us. We provide advanced, basic and expert level of training in CATIA and other CAD softwares as well. Our details are given in the description below. Meanwhile, please like and subscribe to our channel so we can keep posting more videos like this which can help everybody learn. Thank you.